facing the police every single day.
Hey, Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Cop Watch, and we are going to do a review. I just thought of this. I pay for ChatGPT, and with that, if you guys look to, you can search ChatGPTs, and you'll find out that there is civil rights ChatGPTs in here. And I can't believe I didn't think of this before, but now that I'm finally free, even though I'm not, because everything's still illegal, and I sent Andrew Bonderud his notice of intent to sue for illegally jailing me for free speech and free press. I thought I would drop in the opinion from the court, Sheets versus City of Punta Gorda, which ruined filming public officials for everybody in the country, and my name is fucking shit now. And put in his complaint. And in fact, later in this, we're even going to put in his amended complaint. And it'll show you again, he's still fucked up. Big. Big, big, big. So anyways, you can see in this, I'm asking, is this complaint good or bad? There's so many things. All he did was go for a fucking injunction, which is hard to do in federal court. And he did not add that there is no due process, which even Charlotte County and their illegal law banning filming has due process. You can appeal it, even though it's bullshit, which we found out. Administrative courts cannot hear a constitutional issue, and they were doing it anyway, so they're fucked on that. But Punta Gorda is even worse. You don't even get a fucking hearing. And another one that they're really fucking up on is on Florida records law. You're supposed to be able to go and personally inspect records. Boom, that's gone. The other one that's a major fuck up on is Florida Sunshine Law for meetings. Oh my God. And again, even Charlotte County knew that you can't be playing with fire on that. And you would literally have to call and say, I want to go, and then they would have a cop follow you around treating you like you're a fucking criminal. But holy shit. So Punta Gorda just did not give a shit, and that's why their lawyer is finally gone. They were going to fire their lawyer. He quit before they could fire him. Actually, they did fire him, but then he quit too, right in the middle of a meeting. Levin is finally gone, the one that started all this illegal bullshit. So anyways, so you saw the question I asked, and is ChatGPT perfect? Fuck no, but this civil rights one is pretty damn good, man. For simple motions that you need to tweak, oh my God, all fucking day. You can just keep telling it, fix this, fix that. It'll finally get it right. You tweak a little bit more. Boom, send it. Okay, now straight to your question. What did the lawyer do? You are absolutely correct in noticing some serious no demand for damages. What the fuck are you smoking? Again, all he went for is injunctive relief. He didn't even go for damages. He said I wasn't fucking damaged. Are you fucking kidding me? They violated so many of my rights, it's fucking stupid. So as you can see here, he didn't go for damages. No direct count for Sunshine Law. Exactly, just like I said. He never even raised it in the complaint. Are you fucking high? Jesus. And again, all these extra things would have kept the case going, but no. He just went for injunctive relief. And he did it hard and fast, which I believe pissed the judge off. I'm even starting to wonder if he just fucking threw the case on purpose. Did they pay him off? Because again, like I said, he ran like a little girl. When that judge gave the opinion, he was pro bono, and he said, if I appeal it, I'm going to charge you $5,000 and I'm going to lose. Would you fucking hire him after that? No. No clear due process. That is huge, man. It's fucking case law, man. You have to have fucking due process. And he did a little bit, but again, it was vague and soft. And again, this guy supposedly used to be fucking really good, and he actually was. He won some good ones for Jeff Gray. This is Jeff Gray's best buddy. And so, but in this one, just fucked up bad. Focus too narrowly. The whole approach to attacking the government is applied. Participating in government recording. So there you go. It's all right there. He fucked up bad. It's a risky strategy, and he fucking blew it. In plain words, the lawyer screwed up. Not ending damages, not including sunshine law, not pushing a strong procedural due process, only fighting the injunction and nothing else. And here you go. Chat says the same damn thing. We would have had all this other shit to go on. We would have still had a case, and this fucking nightmare of mine and everybody across the fucking country wouldn't be happening because of this piece of shit right here. And this piece of shit, Jeff Cray, for fucking giving me this piece of shit. And then this piece of shit helped that piece of shit put me in jail for free speech and free press when I let everybody know what he was doing and fucking let Jeff know what he was doing on my phone call on speaker with the camera, which is just like a fucking notepad, and or disseminating with my mouth and words, because we're all recording right now, and they smoked me. In fact, I'm going to do another video here in a second. We believe we found another reason why he hates anybody that says anything about him online. In fact, I had all the AIs. I got 3 AIs that I pay for. And they all look for it. The fucking internet is clean. And I believe this motherfucker is going out anywhere and everywhere and getting shit ripped down. And in fact, I found out another reason why I believe he smoked me. He ran for fucking judge. Oh my God. So while I was shut down, they burned me. He had an injunction against me. I couldn't say shit to him for, fuck, Jesus, 3 years? I could not say shit. And it was banned from YouTube. What the fuck is that? So, yeah, we found out he did run for judge. Like I said, I'm going to do another video on that. You know what? Actually, where is it? It is, I'm going to show it right now. Here it is. I can't believe I found this today. Didn't fucking know. Oh my God. Isn't it weird? The whole time I'm shut down, he's running for fucking judge. Look at that. So anybody that said, you know, tells the truth about how you fucked up a case, that nobody's going to know because he has you banned for free speech and free press online. I cannot say shit about him at that time. I am free now, and now I can tell you the true story again. So look at that. Whole time I was shut down, he ran for judge. Isn't that weird? So anyways, and then I dropped in the amended complaint. Like I said, everybody needs to get ChatGPT. $20 a month. So fucking worth it. It's not even funny. And again, you got to go look for these civil rights stuff. So I asked ChatGPT again, did he fuck it up in the amended complaint? And gee, look at that. He did a little bit better, but what the lawyer still failed to fix was no claim for damages. No compensatory, no punitive, no sunshine law. Completely left it out, even though I was absolutely being wrong. No due process. Too narrow and focused. Only attacking the ordinance again. Risky reliance on injunctive only. He went so fucking hard. In fact, you know, I didn't know how all this shit worked before, and I still don't. The internet is the only thing that's getting me by. I have 6 federal lawsuits right now, and the internet is what's helping me get by. And I didn't know. If I knew now, when if I knew then what I know now, holy shit, I would have fired his ass and or yelled at him and told him to add all this shit. But again, here you go. Bottom line. No damages demand. No sunshine law. Weak due process. Narrow constitutional framing. Injunction only strategy. Holy shit. In plain English, yes, he fucked up the original complaint and he fucked up the amended complaint too. He basically polished a bad approach without fixing the core issues. Now, chat, like I said, I love it. And again, I strongly tell you, it is not perfect. But man, this is way better than talking to some fucking lawyer that won't even give you the goddamn answers and let you pay him hundreds of dollars. So like I said, these civil rights ones were built by lawyers. Are they perfect? No, but they're, in my opinion, 3/4 away there. Corrected strong federal complaint. This is what he should have done. Compensatory, punitive, declaratory, injunctive, attorney fees. Jurisdiction, all federal, supplemental, civil rights, proper venue. What do we got? plaintiff is a journalist, designated public forum that is open to the public. Plaintiff lawfully recorded interactions. First Amendment, Florida Constitution, Florida Sunshine Law. Come on. Plaintiff issued trespass warning solely for exercising his constitutional rights without a notice of hearing and violating, which violates First Amendment. A retaliation, 14th Amendment, due process, Sunshine Law, meeting and access. City employees, including law enforcement, act under color of state law. Yeah, I was talking about the same thing. The fucking cameras are recording it. You should see how many cameras are in there now. They built that place like fucking Fort Knox. They made literally a whole goddamn building into a restricted access. What a bunch of shit. Claims for relief, First Amendment, free speech and right to record. Duh. Damages, duh. Injunctive, duh. 14th Amendment. Yeah, Catron. That's the one for our area. Damages, hello. Compensatory punitive. Count 3, violation of Florida Sunshine Law. Access to public meetings is huge. Huge. And the fucker never brought it up. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. So here you go, right here. Restricted me from going to meeting. Exclude citizens unlawfully. Plaintiff was prevented. I mean, just wow. Damages, actual damages, attorney fees, injunctive relief, prayer for relief, judgment against defendant, compensatory, punitive, declaratory, preliminary and permanent injunction, attorney's fees, cost of suit. Any further key legal strategies, federal claims, Florida Sunshine, asking for damages, claiming viewpoint. Hello, highlighting the retaliation. Final verdict: the amended complaint filed by your lawyer failed because it didn't ask for damages, didn't bring in Sunshine Law, focused only on injunctions, declarations, missed strong constitutional hooks, retaliation of viewpoint discretion. Just fuck, wow. And then it says let's revise. What was it talking about here? First Amendment retaliation. Right to gather and disseminate information. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm making record requests and or filing complaints. Hello. Could chill a person of ordinary. Motivate legitimate interest. Actual injury. I mean, just wow. Just wow. Protected activity. Recording and seeking access to government information. Adverse action. Trespass warning preventing return to City Hall. Causation. Trespass was motivated by plaintiff's protected activity. Injury. Emotional harm. Loss of constitutional rights. Chilling. I was all over the fucking newspaper and TV for this shit, man. Absolutely fucked my name up. And it's still being fucked up to this day. Like I said, 6 fucking lawsuits in federal court right now to try to fix his fuck up. This is interesting. I gotta look up this one. I did not know about that. It would force the city to justify every step they took and would struggle to defend it. And the recap, you didn't just need an injunction, you needed retaliation claims, damages, Sunshine Law, and full federal civil attack. He fucked up bad. And he fucking jailed me for telling you guys about it. And now he just threatened to jail me again, which I just did the video of yesterday, right here. He is threatening me again to jail me again for witness tampering. The case is closed, man. He's threatening to kill my right to court. Just, this shit is so fucking bad. There's already paperwork going out to the DOJ and the Florida Bar. This is unfucking real. The good news is, I did find out, like I said, I sent him a notice of intent to sue for all the shit that he did to me, he's got money. Look at that. Look what happens when you run for office. You actually have to write down, well, how much money you're worth. Isn't it weird? $3 fucking million. He needs to pay for this out fucking racist injustice he has done to me, my family, my business. Oh my God. Fucked the case up. What the fuck were you thinking? He literally told me, I didn't do anything wrong. I did everything right. Really? Even ChatGPT, who's not even a real person, said you're a fucking moron, stupid.